Today's angelic message for you in your interactions: practice empathy and compassion. Each individual you encounter is on their own journey, replete with personal triumphs and challenges. By engaging with empathy, you foster connections that not only enrich your life but also provide support and comfort to others. Find delight in life's simple pleasures. A smile, a quiet moment of contemplation, the beauty of the natural world. These are the moments that bring a sense of peace and happiness. They encourage you to be present and to find joy in the everyday. When faced with adversity, see it as an opportunity to grow and learn. Each challenge is a chance to test your strength and resilience, offering insights and developing a deeper sense of self-awareness. These experiences, though tough, are key to shaping your character and perspective. End each day with a moment of gratitude. Reflect on the day's experiences, both the good and the challenging, and find value in each. This practice of gratitude helps to cultivate a positive outlook, fostering a sense of well-being and contentment. May your life's journey be an inspiring tale of discovery, personal growth, and fulfillment. Embrace each day with a sense of adventure and an open heart, ready to take on the experiences and lessons it brings. Your path is a unique and extraordinary story, one that is continually unfolding in beautiful and unexpected ways. Live it fully and let it unfold in its own remarkable way. Type "I believe in myself" to affirm today's spiritual message for you. As you proceed on your life's journey, view each day as an integral piece in the mosaic of your existence. Your story, woven from a rich array of experiences and emotions, continues to evolve and expand. Every moment, whether it brings laughter or tears, contributes to the intricate design of who you are. Embrace the full spectrum of life, understanding that each experience, whether challenging or joyous, adds depth to your character. Hold resilience and hope close to your heart. These qualities will illuminate your path, guiding you through the complexities of life with strength and optimism. They serve as reminders that each phase of life, whether filled with hardship or happiness, is transient and offers its own valuable lessons. In your interactions with others, prioritize empathy and kindness. Everyone you meet is navigating their own unique path, complete with its highs and lows. By treating others with understanding and compassion, you create connections that enrich your life and offer comfort and support to others. Savor the simple joys of life, the quiet moments of reflection, the beauty of nature, and the warmth of human connection. These are the threads that add color and vibrancy to your everyday existence. They remind you to appreciate the present and find contentment in the small wonders of life. When you encounter adversity, approach it as a chance for growth and self-discovery. Each obstacle is an opportunity to demonstrate your inner strength and resilience, and to gain insights that deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you. These experiences, though challenging, are crucial in shaping your personal narrative. End each day with a sense of gratitude and mindfulness. Reflect on the day's experiences, acknowledging the lessons learned and the joys that were present. This practice of gratitude enhances your sense of peace and well-being, helping you to view your life's journey with positivity and grace. Subscribe our channel if you love God. Type yes if you feel this. May your life's journey be a beautiful and inspiring story of growth, discovery, and fulfillment. Approach each new day with enthusiasm and an open heart, ready to embrace the adventures and lessons it holds. Your journey is a unique and ongoing story, rich with potential and filled with experiences that add depth and meaning to your existence. Live it fully and let it unfold in its own extraordinary way. Every sunrise brings a new beginning, a fresh canvas on which to paint the day's experiences. Life, with its ebbs and flows, is a beautiful journey of discovery, growth, and transformation. Along this journey, there will be moments of incredible joy and deep challenges. It's in these moments that life's true essence is revealed and our strongest selves are forged. Remember that each struggle you face is an opportunity to learn and grow. These are the moments that build resilience and character, shaping you into a wiser, more compassionate person. The trials you endure are not just obstacles, but stepping stones leading you toward a greater understanding of yourself and the world around you. In times of doubt or hardship, look around and see the beauty that exists in the small things. A smile from a stranger, the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind, or the quiet perseverance of nature. Therein lies the subtle yet powerful miracles of life. These are reminders that you are never truly alone and that beauty exists even in the most unexpected places. God message for me, type 666 if you believe this.